What's the meaning of assassin? Assassin. Assassin.
Assassin. Assassin. An assassin is someone who is hired to kill another person, often for political or monetary gain. The act of assassination involves careful planning and execution, with the goal of eliminating the target with minimal risk to the assassin. Assassinations have been carried out throughout history, often with significant consequences, both intended and unintended. While assassinations are generally illegal and widely considered immoral, they continue to be employed as a means of achieving certain objectives, particularly in the realm of politics and conflict.